Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to send from Yoursafe to Wise account. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Yoursafe. So go to yoursafe.com and log into your account. So open up your account. So once you've logged into your account here, so I'm on my home page here. So I'm going to send from my Yoursafe to my Wise. To do that, hit on this transfer money tab here. So click on transfer money, and then here what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the right side here. So I'm going to click on this international wire or Swift option because I'm going to send it to my Wise account. So sorry, my Wise account. So just click on it, and then once I get here, so all I have to do now is simply fill in all these details here. So fill in all these details, and then here you can just choose the amount that you wish to be transferred and then the currency. You can also do that. So fill those details in, and here on the right side here you got to fill in the account details, that is your Wise account details. You can get these details from your Wise account. So if you log into your Wise account, you will get all these your banking details of your Wise account. You can just get it from here, and you can just copy and paste it here, and then all you have to do is hit on confirm and then review all those details again, and then click on done, and in order to get this transaction done. So that's pretty much it is. It's pretty easy to send from Yoursafe to Wise account. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in a